So today we are going to use the Everlo coffee drops. Now I'm sure that all of you know how important electrolytes are for your overall health and well-being, and these drops are fantastic. They smooth out the flavor of your coffee. They're really great for your gut health. They give you vital minerals, electrolytes, and they make everything taste so good. So let's taste the coffee before. Okay. Tastes like coffee. I mean, it's smooth because it's Lifeboost, but I think we can make it a little better. So we're gonna add 4 to 6 drops. I like to give it a little swirl. Let's try it out. So much smoother. So it's great on its own, but if you wanna add a little creamer, like I like to do, use the creamer of your choice. Cheers.